What's up, everybody? Hopefully, everyone is doing well. I must have to say, it's been extremely quiet in the precious metal stacking community lately. I wonder why. Check out the new edition. It's only 1 ounce. Yes, it's only 1 ounce. Beautiful Libertad. Just amazing. That's the deep stack silver that I keep. This item here is for resale. This is what I resell. Buy it under spot, buy it for cheap, flip it, make a profit, take your profits, and then buy the metals that you want to keep for yourself, for your deep stack. And therefore, it can actually help you build a stack that you can own free and clear. That's right. Flipping and reselling metals. Anyhow, it's been pretty quiet in the precious metal stacking community lately. And my guess is that many people have bought at the all-time highs. The ones that bought at all-time highs are kind of quiet. They're not making videos. Some of those people were dealers that were telling folks that if they didn't buy today, they would not be able to buy gold and silver again at a specific price. That is a bad idea, to be out there pushing product on people and pushing this marketing idea of fear of missing out if you don't buy today. Unfortunately, people do need to do their due diligence when they're looking to make a purchase. But there are people that are new to the space. And if they're learning and they're trying to understand what's a great time to buy and when's a not so great time to buy, pushing something on them when you know they may be inexperienced is not a great move. It's pretty disgusting if you ask me. So my feeling is that many people bought at $110+ per ounce on silver, and now they're sitting here having to hold that silver, especially when it retracted as low to $67 per ounce. Gold, if you're buying gold, now your money is tied up in gold if you bought as high as $5,200 an ounce. Gold has came down significantly, and I believe seen as low as $4,000 an ounce. You could have definitely got a better deal on gold if you just held it off and not get caught into the FOMO. Do not buy metals thinking that you're going to miss out. Your purchasing schedule on buying metals is suitable for your own personal circumstance. There's nothing wrong with enjoying other people's stacks. There's nothing wrong with looking for the best deals. And there's also nothing wrong when it comes to selling some of your metals and taking profit for whatever the reason may be. But if you're buying off the reason for somebody else, that could be a bad idea, because it can now put you in a circumstance that may not align to what your financial budget may be. And your financial budget is important. It's no need to be 100% into metals. But also understand that if you think you're going to buy metals for the sake of riding a wave just so you can flip it, that's very risky. So yes, I have metals that I actually flip and that I resell for profit. But I also understand that I will only buy something if I can get a smoking deal. Now, when I buy metals from people, I don't buy metals offering them those $10, $15 plus back of spot deals. I usually look up what the local market is, and then I figure out what I'm going to offer that's going to beat out any LCSs. And usually I don't have a problem accumulating metals to flip or to resell, because the person that I'm buying from at that point understands that I'm offering more than their local coin shops, because I do my due diligence as well when I'm buying items specifically to flip. So again, if you bought at $110+ an ounce, you're going to have to sit on that silver for some time. Or even if you bought gold at the all-time highs, you're going to have to sit on that product until you get to a break-even point. And that can take time. How much time? I can't tell you. No one really knows where the price is going to go. And so therefore, they can't guarantee that. We know prices will go higher at some point, but we can't pinpoint the date. We know that prices will go lower at some point, but we can't always pinpoint the date. So if you're buying, buy smart, buy right, stack smart, stack wise. And hopefully you don't find yourself buying metals at the all-time highs and have to ride these metals down and hold them to the lows. Yes, you may still have the physical product on hand, but it's much better if you buy your metals at the best price and not buying your metals based off of hype or fear of missing out. So hopefully that helps a lot of individuals out. And again, don't have any shame in your game if you bought at the all-time highs. It might be a product that you really wanted. At the end of the day, you still got the metal. But the loss is going to be if you buy at the highs and you sell at the lows. That's never been the game. So if you're still rocking with me this far, go ahead and give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button, and also make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.